where I'm gonna turn everyday things into an awesome experiment. Today, we're going to discover something cool and a little bit magical, using ice, salt, and a piece of string. Sounds strange, huh? Well, get ready, because this experiment is called Why Salt Melts Ice, and it's really gonna surprise you. But before we start, I want you to imagine a frozen lake. What happens when someone throws salt on it? Or better yet, can you really lift an ice cube using just a piece of string? Let's find out together! Grab your kitchen supplies, put on your curious scientist brain, and let's dive into the world of freezing, melting, and fun science facts. Ready? Let's go! Now we're here at my school's lab, where I'm gonna do the experiment. Let me show you the things we need. Some ice cubes, a bottle of water. You can use a cup too. A clear bowl, salt, string and scissors, and that's it. Now that we're all set, let's begin. First, I want you to take your water and pour it in the bowl. Make sure you put just enough, or the experiment will fail. Don't put too much. Now I want you to grab your ice cube. You can use whatever shape you want, but I'm using this one. See? Now, put the ice cube in. Grab your string about the length of your hand and put it on top of the ice. Now gently lift the string. Did the ice come up? Nope. That's because the ice is too slippery. Now gently place the string back on the ice. Here's where the magic begins. Get some salt and sprinkle it on top of the string, especially the part of the string that's resting on the ice. Make sure you don't put too much, or the ice will melt easily. There. Now we wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute. While we wait, let's think of what can happen to the ice and string. Will it slip again? Will it go up? I wonder. Don't peek yet, but let's observe too. It's so cool. It looks like the ice is melting a bit, but it looks like it's gonna refreeze. So cool. Never seen anything like this. I think time's up. Now let's see what happens. The ice came up! The ice came up! See? So cool! The ice stuck to the string! No glue needed! Amazing, right? And just like that, we turned kitchen supplies into a science prize! Wow! So what really happened? Salt is a little science wizard. It lowers the freezing point of water. But what does that mean? Let me explain. When water freezes, it needs to be at a really low temperature, around 0 degrees Celsius. But when we sprinkle salt on it, it tells the water, hey, don't freeze yet, making the water have to freeze at an even lower temperature. That's called lowering the freezing point, because it makes the water freeze at a lower temperature. It's kind of like this. If freezing is like falling asleep, then salt is someone tickling the water, making it not able to fall asleep instantly. That's why the ice melts a little at first. But as the water refreezes, it traps the string. So when we lift the string, the ice cubes come along too. Amazing, right? Now let's put on our thinking caps. Where do we see this in real life? I'll give you 10 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time's up. The first one is snowy roads in the winter. People sprinkle salt on the roads so that cars don't slide and people don't slip. Next, we have homemade ice cream. Some ice cream makers use salt to help the ice cream freeze faster. Yum and science? Yes, please! So the next time you see salt and ice, remember, it's not just frozen water, it's a science experiment waiting to happen. Thanks for experimenting with me today. Keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop asking what happens if. See you next time, future scientists. Bye!